Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the boAt Rockerz 235 V2 Bluetooth wireless headset. The device, as you can see, comes with the neckband form factor. It has magnetic ear tips for easy connectivity and easy storage. It has a hands-free communication inbuilt mic, offers IPX5 sweat and water resistance, up to 8 hours of playback with integrated controls that allow for access to voice assistants with one touch, as well as a 10 millimeter dynamic driver, vibration alert on the call, and fast charging technology that offers up to 4 hours of playback in just 20 minutes of charge. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. In the box, we have the boAt warranty. We also have the brochure from boAt for their other product range. And we have the user manual for the Rockerz 235 V2 that explains setup functionality and everything else that you need to know to use the device. Along with the device itself, you get earbuds for customization as per requirements. There is the micro USB charging cable, red and black color scheme. And then you have the device itself. Like you can see in the neckband form factor with the magnetic clip at the rear end of both earbuds for easy storage. The device itself, you have the multifunction play button over here, volume control, the input for micro USB charging over here, and yeah, that's about it. So there you have the boAt Rockerz 235 V2 wireless Bluetooth headsets. Thanks for watching.